And I'm back. The video on my camera keeps running out before I do, so that I'll try and keep an eye on that. Anyway, as you can see, I've done the first stripe and the first row for the space between the the dash and the dot. As you can see, there is a difference depending on which side you look at on the knitting. This is the side that will look out, that you'll see, and this will be on the inside once everything's done. So, to continue with the Morse code, this is 2 rows to separate the stripes, and since I have a dash, I'll make a dot with 2 rows of off-white, and then there will be 2 rows of blue to separate the dot from the next dash, which will be 4 rows of off-white, and then 2 more rows of blue, 2 more rows of white for the final dot, and then 4 rows of blue. So I think what I'm going to do is go through the first name, my friend's first name, and then come back after that and show you how things go from there. But just to finish up a row or 2 here. And I apologize again for the videos cutting out like they do. It's an old camera and I am not used to recording myself like this. So I keep running past the video time. And once again, we are at the end of this row where I have both yarn. And so that finishes the space between the stripes, and I will start on the next stripe, since it's still the same letter. And this will be 2 rows for a dot. And I'm going to stop the video here, and I'll see you a little later when I have a few letters done.